Hello everyone, welcome back to mariejumkitchen. Today I'm going to be preparing a tapioca pudding. Tapioca pudding is a starch taken from a cassava plant. This recipe is simple and easy to make. So guys, let's get started. So you will need a tapioca pearl for this recipe. There are two sizes of tapioca pearl, but I prefer to use the small one. You also need a coconut flakes just to spice up your tapioca pearl. So in a bowl, add in a cup of tapioca pearl. You can see how small this is looking. So after that, I will go ahead by adding in a cup of water. Gently rinse the tapioca pearl using a strainer to drain out the water. I hope you guys can see how this is looking. So after that, I will add in another cup of water. This actually depends on the quantity of tapioca pearl you are working with. So I'm going to leave this to soak for like 2 to 3 hours just to make sure the tapioca pearl is soft and easy to cook. So it has gone past 3 hours. You can see how doubled in size this is looking. So after that, I'm going to pour in my soaked tapioca pearl inside a pot, a clean pot. As you can see, I'm not going to be cooking this with any water. I'm going to be cooking this with a whole milk. You can decide to cook your own with water or coconut milk depending on your choice. But I'm going to be cooking my own tapioca pudding with just milk. Stir it up a little bit. All those things you are seeing on top is just the coconut that was added to the tapioca from the factory. So no cause for alarm. So cook the tapioca pearl on a medium-low heat and stir continuously to avoid the tapioca being stick to the pot. You will definitely know if the tapioca pudding is ready once the tapioca pearl are transparent enough. Just keep stirring this to avoid being stick to the pot. You can also taste the tapioca pudding to test for the right texture. I did not add any salt to this recipe, but this is preferably. You can add in salt if you wish, because salt is actually optional. It depends on your choice. So once the tapioca pudding is thickened, you can stir occasionally to avoid the pudding sticking to the bottom of the pot. When it's ready, you can add in sugar or condensed milk. This depends on what you want and what you can afford. So if you want to add in condensed milk, you don't need to add in any sugar because condensed milk is sweetened enough. Okay, you can see we are getting there already. Just keep stirring to avoid being stick to the pot. Perfect. You can see how beautiful this is looking. So once the tapioca pearl is transparent and clear, let it simmer for about 2 minutes, and after 2 minutes the tapioca pudding is ready to serve. You can serve it warm or cold. You can have it with fruits. Oh my goodness, look at that. Just take a look at how beautiful this is. Oh, this is so yummy and delicious. You can see how beautiful and healthy this is looking. This is actually a perfect idea for breakfast. Trust me guys, you are going to love this. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. To my new subscribers, thank you for joining us and welcome. To my old subscribers, thank you for the support. I really do appreciate it. Please don't forget to click the notification bell so you will get notified each time I upload a new video. So on to the next one. I'm saying bye for now. Thank you.